Many of you have asked me a question about if you have a MacBook and if you cannot uh, write code with Visual Studio using your MacBook, then how can you complete your homework? So, as a student of East Los Angeles College, you have access to a cloud computing facility where you can do your um, homework. So, this is your canvas page. You see on the screen your canvas page. From there, you need to go to the modules. Under the modules, you should see a link to Apporto ELACCS. So, this is the cloud computing site. Once you go there, click on load Apporto ELACCS in a new window. So, it is uploaded. So, it will be transferring your user ID password, your identity from your canvas session all the way to your Apporto portal. So you will be here. Okay. Now here what you should do, you should go to the window sign here and then you start typing Visual Studio. So you can use the Visual Studio 2022. So click there, you will see the Visual Studio 2022. You don't need to sign in, it's optional, but if you want you can do it if you have a Microsoft account. And then you can choose any of the themes. I'm randomly choosing one of those, um, and then I start it. We are preparing for the first use, so it will take a little long. So it's created. Now you can create your own project, but I mean we could do continue without code, and then you will see this Visual Studio. Okay, so then you can just normally you can go to file, a new project. You can choose your Visual Basic project. Say for example language is Visual Basic. Here Windows Form app.net. Where is that? It's scroll down here. Next, this is a random form number, then create. So go with the default settings. So this is your form, and here you go. So one thing you should remember, whenever you are done with it, like suppose you want to do it in different increments, you need to save the project to somewhere. uh, let's say I have created this project. Let's see if I have any option to save it somewhere. So where is, so you have to remember to save this application to somewhere, let us say on your GitHub repository. uh, so I mean the default source control is Git. You need to go to the Git, you have to open an account under GitHub repository. So basically you need to come here you need to enter your address, or you can create your own account. Let's say you can say your account is, I'm using mine. So I'm giving username, my account, my user email address. So you can give your email address, you can give your password, and then you can just create your account. So once you create your account, let me go to my account. So it will send you the verification code to your email address. I'm going through multiple iterations of verifications, that's why it takes little time. Here I am. So I'll be got stuck a little bit. Okay, so so once I'm there, you can return to Visual Studio. So I can go back to my Visual Studio here. So I can create and push. So once I created and push, it should look like this: github.com, and then you should be able to see your repository somewhere. So you can see, my repository shows up here. So same thing applies to you. So that's the way you should be keeping track of each day of development. Okay, so this is an alternative to your device if you don't have any device that supports Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, hope that this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.